recording of link length. Proceed and provide the informative you can need. Yes. Sorry, Kayan information best casual legal professional for you. No, I understand you're looking for Carlo informative information applicable for the cause use easily. Can you please specific video specific information you can sing regarding Carlo? Then car information. Same guys, same anything process in regarding of car information, then adopt in the accidents, truck car truck truck crash layers, car crash layers, and personal injuring layers to attention of a particular prevent of a limitations consumes contriment and etc. There are no proceed for a legal illegal process to stations, car layer process, hand layer process to communications of skills to there are materials of development on the specific part of India and citizen of instruments car layer. I can understand then you information car instrument car instilling car instrumentations. So finally all data for you, and like this video, subscribe the channel for more videos, and like this video layer. I can understand then you information car instrument car instilling car instrumentations. Summary and your videos including relative tags and hashtags. Remember to keep it engaged to influencer, then optimize. Me more explains of optimizing title and description to optimizing on title and description. Finally, it's a very easy way on promote on YouTube videos. Can I share with you, and no videos YouTube engaged for you. Yes, I hold telled with me. No. This way is a optimizing of video title and using a specific keywords and actually describe the content on your videos for explain in if making receipt videos including keywords like dislikes and easy way quickly as a description provided summary of your videos and increased relevant text on hashtags. Remember to keep in engaging and influencing. So guys, this is a video and for you. Love you all my family. Stay safe. Actually we are a complement of a search audiensely. Yes, caption video viewers and description providing benefits, summary and your videos including relative tags and hashtags. Remember to keep it engaged to influencer, then optimize. Me more explains of optimizing title and description to optimizing on title and description. Finally, it's a very easy way